Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to explain the LeetCode easy problem, which is maximum product difference between two pairs. So in the given problem set, we have the product difference between two pairs A, comma B and C, comma D is defined as A into B minus C into D. So for example, the product between 5 and 6, so 5 into 6 will be 30, 30 minus 2 into 7, that is 14. It is their difference will be 16. So we have given an integer nums. We have to choose four distance indexes, for example w, x, y and z, such that the product difference between pairs is maximized. So we have to find the maximum difference between any four pair. So we have to return that maximum product difference. So let us discuss with this test case. So let me copy this test case and let me open my board. It is X scalar draw. So let me copy that test case in my board. Let me draw my array. Zeroth index, 1 index, 2 index, 3 index. So at the zeroth index we have 5. At first index we have 6. Then we have 2. Then we have 7, and last we have 4. So index will be 0, 1, 2, 3 and 4. So we have to choose pair of integers such that maximum difference between that pairs will be maximized. So we have to choose pairs of indexes such that the difference will be maximum. So we have to, so simple logic is we have to choose two largest element. If we multiply that, we will get the maximum sum, and when we multiply, and we have to choose two smallest index element which will give the minimum product, and when we make difference between maximum and minimum, that will give the maximum sum. For example, in this array, the max first largest will be 7 and second largest will be, that is 6, minus first smallest will be 2, meanwhile second smallest will be 4. So we have to simply return the difference between two max element and two minimum, or we can say smallest element. So that will be 34. So yes, 34 is the correct output. So this is simple logic. So simply what we will do, this is I will discuss the first approach. So this is first approach 1, that will be approach 1, that will be simply we will sort the array, and we will multiply the first two largest element, and make difference with two smallest elements of the array. So simply we will sort this array. So our array become 2, 4, 5, 6 and 7. So 4 into 8, that is 4 into, sorry, 2 into 4 will be 8, 6 into 7, that is 42. When we make difference between 42 and 8, that is 34. This is our correct output, and our output is coming correct. So in this approach, the time complexity will be, because we are using the sort function, so the time complexity will be n log n. So the time complexity will be n log n, and space complexity will be big O of n. So this is time complexity, this is space complexity. So this is n. Here n is size of array. So how can we improve this to this logic up to n, big O of n? So we can simply run a for loop. We can simply run a for loop, and we have to first find the first largest number, and then we have to find the second largest number, and we have to simply multiply them and make the difference with the first smallest and second smallest element. So we have to simply run a for loop for finding the we have to simply run a for loop for finding the first. We have simply, sorry, let me erase this. So we have to simply find the first largest, that is 7, and second largest, and we have to make difference between first these two, and first smallest will be 2 and second smallest will be 4, so that is 34. So in this approach, the time complexity will be big O of n, because we are iterating array only one time, only at once. So time complexity will be big O of n, and space complexity will be, that is of course big O of 1, because we are not using any extra space. So let's code this logic in our LeetCode editor, or we can say LeetCode compiler. So let approach 1, let me code approach 1, sorry, that is approach 1. Oh, sorry, approach 1. First we have to sort our array, that is nums dot begin. So I am using the STL function, sorting function, that is nums dot begin to nums dot end. So after this line we will get the sorted array. So then we have to find the first largest and second largest element will be of course in element at 0th index will be the largest element, and second largest element will be element at first index. Then simply we have to copy this, and we have to find the first smallest and second smallest. So let me write this, that will be at index, that is nums dot size minus 1. So there will be at last index we have the smallest, sorry, that will be largest at this will be largest. We are sorting an array in increasing order na, so we will get the largest element at last index and second largest element at second last index, sorry, n minus 2. This will be the smallest. First element of an array will be smallest, and this will be the second smallest, that will be at index 1, second smallest. So simply we have to return largest into second largest minus smallest. Oh, some typing error. Smallest into second smallest. So let me run this test case. One error is coming. Let me see. Oh, sorry, there will be nums, not array, nums. Name of array will be nums. Nums, and this will be nums dot size, not nums dot size. Let me check this. This will be nums, sorry, my mistake. Let me check. Okay, let me submit it. I hope this will be submitted. Okay, we hopefully successfully submit this code by approach 1. Now let us discuss the time complexity for this approach. Time complexity will be, as we have previously mentioned, we are using the sort function, which will take the analog n time complexity, and space complexity will be big of n. Then I will discuss this second approach. Simply what I will do, simply I will run a for loop. Simply at one iteration, I will try to find the first largest and second largest element, and for second small, and then I will find the second smallest and second largest, and then find the difference between them. Okay, so this is simple approach. Simply there will be time complexity will be big of n, because we are iterating the nums array only at once. So let me quote this logic, that is nums. So simply we have to find the first largest nums. If num is greater than largest, then we have to place this as largest and largest equal to nums. Simply we will that will be long int, that will be type of long int, it will be largest int min. then our second largest will be int. We will initialize with a large number, int max, that is int max, that is smallest, it will be second smallest. So simply then if this else block is and then we have to find the smallest. So second largest will be equal to the max of second largest common number. Then we have to find the first smallest and second smallest. So if num is less than the we can say smallest, then we will there will be second largest. This will be smallest, and we can assign smallest as num. Simply we will take the minimum of both nums and second smallest. At the end we have to simply write this line only. So simply we have to return the product. So let me check if our all test cases are running or not. So num is not defined, what is coming? Nums. Okay, int nums. Okay, here num will come. Okay, let me max what is there in this. We max of